There is nothing I love more than shopping online. Hassle free, everything is just a click away. But one thing that makes my shopping experience ideal is getting my packages delivered to me in a quick and efficient way. Now, before I had other shippers, some I would have to go to their offices to get the packages when it's ready, join those lines, get it processed, problems, right? And then you have those others that would deliver to me at an extra cost. Another problem right there. Because who wants to pay more when you already try to avoid shipping, right? And then I buck up on island-wide deliveries. Why? A gift. Now I get my packages anywhere I am at. If I'm at home, I get it there. If I'm at work, they drop it off there. Anywhere I'm at, I just have to just pick up the phone and say, listen, I am at X point today, can I get it there? And it's delivered. Now if I happen to be in Ochi or Montego Bay, that is not a problem either. Northford Express. From Kingston straight on to the Northford Express, I just pick it up right there. I'm telling you, you can't miss if you go with Island-wide Express.